Hello everyone. So this is my probably 8th video on chapter relation and function of class 11. So in this particular topic I am going to discuss one of the most important topic of this chapter, that is range of a function. And this topic requires some method, some we can say concept to get the result. So the result pabole hole a range jontu ase etu bhal dore bujibo lagibo aru yat tumaloke okonman idea najanile okubidha paba he karone ei topic ok aji ami bor descriptively discuss korim. So range kak koha. So domain and range are two different things. Dhoriba muk diya ase y equal to f of x. Now when I say domain is something like raw material. Ta mane x or value kon kita lobo pare. Ka karone fx or value poa jabo. Say fx equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3 divided by x minus 5. So, edo karone mo kun kita function, kun kita x value ma lobo paro a function karone, that is known as domain. So if I take x equal to 5 and x equal to 5, fx is undefined because denominator 0 is x 5 bahale the denominator will become 0 and then fx will be undefined. So undefined mane he x value karone fx kono value paane jabo. So that's why the value for which we are not getting any value of fx, x or he value jontu ami ja karone fx na pao, that should not be in your domain, that should be taken out. So he karone real number pa ja karone fx value pa na jabo ami bahi ulia de. Ta mane except 5 bad di baki jiman real numbers ase ami ji kono lobo parim. We have no problem of taking any value of x, that is domain. Kintu ek kita value jeta tumi yat bahaba মানে x jikita ase x value jun kita lobo parim, that is domain. Yat bahalo bahai fx or calculation to complete karo jane 5 lobo no, but I can take x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 hole fx ki hobo 2 into 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3 by 1 minus 5 ta mane hobo 2 into 0 plus 3 by minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4. So this minus 3 by 4 is one element of its range. Tamane range eta value minus 3 by 4 hobo. Tamane the final answer into fx calculation complete kori. The final answer that is known as range. A range ki hobo pai. It is not possible to find every element. प्रत्येक बार तुम्ही यानी कि x value बेलेग बेलेग है r minus 5 real number minus 5 बाद दी बाकी सब real number 1.1 आहिबो 1.01 आहिबो. So is it possible by putting those value in this fx and getting the value of fx? fx हे value बिसाई पाम जन्म में सब we cannot find. So for that you require some method, and that from that method we can find f of x. তেতিয়া আমি f of x बिसाई लियो पाओ. So f of x is the final product, and the final product is known as range. तामाने machine eta कोन kita x bahabo parim, that is domain, और x or value bahai fx or logot ta calculation kori jontu answer olabo, that is your range. So the definition is range of a function fx are the values of fx. মানে fx of jiman possible values ase every value of fx. That is the collection. It is actual definition no, that's only for your information. Mane buji bole mo dekhaisu. So kenike bisai. So there are different method. Different method means actually there are basically two kinds of method. Duta method ase. One method, if you know that the variable part of a function has a sign, mane the positive or negative bikhoy tumi jana je ki ase jeti eta inequality ami bahai lobo paro. If the variable part can be kept in an inequality, variable part of eta inequality jodi rakhi lobo paro, then doing simple calculation we can find the answer. Kintu every time that is not possible. Mane prottek bar tumi x or value teneke kunba inequality ba variable part of bahal lobo noiba paiba, variable part to inequality bonno bahabo noiba paiba. So in that case there is another method. That method we can use anywhere. Mane jikunu jara function of ami he method te byabahar korim. So I'll show you both the methods, both the techniques, and I'll show you how to find range. So range will be a bit lengthier. Mane alop digholia koribo lagibo, then only you will understand. So I'll show you with the help of some examples also, and I will write the method also. So let us start. So method 1. Method 1 of ami ki korim. So in method 1, generally, if the variable part is bounded, function of variable part to bounded. Bounded in the sense, je ta minimum ba maximum value kiba ta ami jano. If we can find what is its minimum or maximum value, if we can find that particular part, I'll show you some example. Then by doing simple calculations, you can do or you can find range. For example, say fx equal to modulus of 2x minus 1 plus 7. You have to find the range. So in this function, you can see this variable part is inside a modulus sign. Mane variable part to modulus of bhitor ase. And I know whatever inside a modulus gives you always greater than equal to 0. Hodai 0 ke dangore pawa. Ye value no. 0 ke tumi dangore pawa. So 2x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. So this part I got. What I'll do, I'll try to make this function here. A function to moyat banamole chesta korim. So a function of yet plus 7 eta ase. So adding 7 both side means yat ji thakibo hetu moi yat banabole chesta korim. So I'll get 2x minus 1 inside modulus plus 7 greater than equal to 0 plus 7. So more this part I can write fx, and 0 plus 7 is 7. That means fx value is greater than equal to 7. Greater than equal to 7 means 7 to infinity. Greater than 7 means from 7 to this side. So your range is 7 to infinity. Infinity always open. 7 is, there is a equal sign, close. 7 to infinity. This is your range. And in this particular case, you think about any value of x. X or g value nibisa. Take one value, just think about one value of x, any x. Put it here and find fx. You will find your answer will be always between 7 and infinity. You will not get any answer less than 7. Tumi x or g kunu eta value bhabi lua, yat x or thait bahai dia, bahai fx or gute value tu bisara. Tumi dekhiba prottek tu value 7 aru infinity majote ase, 7 otke horu nohoy ketiao. So that's why the range is 7, infinity. I'll take some more example. So example number 2. Fx equal to 11 minus 3 modulus 2x plus 1. I know this modulus 2x plus 1, this variable part. Variable part means x thaka part kini tumi sabo lagibo. This variable part is positive. और ए पर x নাই কিন্তু যদি এই ভেৰিয়েবল পাৰ্টৰ বিষয়ে আমি গম পাওঁ পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ বা তাৰ কিবা বাউন্ডাৰী আমি গম পাওঁ কিমানৰ পৰা কিমানৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব then you can find by this method. But if variable part ইয়াত আছে যেনিবা ইয়াতো x এটা লিখিছে then we cannot use this method. Then we cannot use this method. There is another method then. I'll show you those methods also. Hey method to মই শিকাম. But for the time being, the whole variable part is inside modulus. So we know modulus 2x plus 1 is always greater than equal to 0. What I'll do, I'll try to make this function here. So for that, what you have to multiply? Multiply by minus 3. Both sides. Multiplying by negative number, inequality will change. Inequality again will change. Greater than equal, less than equal. Why? Because multiplying by a negative number. That I have taught you in 2 or 3 classes back. More bujai se do. The negative number you multiply, it always you have to change the sign. So you have to change this sign. Now you have to add 11 here, plus 11. So minus 3 2x plus 1 less than equal to minus 3 into 0 is 0 and adding plus 11 both sides. This gives you this part. This is fx. So fx is less than equal to 11. Fx is less than equal to 11. So fx is less than equal to 11 means 11 to minus infinity. Less than 11 means if there is 11, less than 11 means towards minus infinity. So your range will be minus infinity to 11. I'll show you 1 or 2 more questions. Do you have the questions? Next example. Fx equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 13. So we know modulus is greater than equal to 0. But we also know if you square a real number, you are always getting a positive quantity. तारमाने मॉडुलस বুলি কলে আমি পজিটিভ বুঝুৱে কিন্তু স্কয়ার কৰিলে জানো পজিটিভ নহয় সো ইয়াতো স্কয়ার আছে গোটে ভেৰিয়েবল পাৰ্ট স্কয়াৰ ভিতৰত আছে the whole variable part is inside a square. So for all x belongs to real number, x minus 3 whole square is greater than equal to 0. মই এনেকুৱা এটা inequality লিখিব পাৰিছো. And these methods what I have shown, these are always you can do by this method, or when you know that this is has some minimum or maximum value. ता माने एकदम minimum or maximum value ता तुम जल्दी गम पा जाने याद गम पाइसो जे 0 या minimum value तात के डांगरे होबो सदाय positive होबो तात के डांगरे होबो. So what to do? We have to make this function here. A function they have banabo lego. So x minus 3 whole square minus 13. Minus 13 subtracting minus 13 from both sides. This becomes fx greater than equal to minus 13. So here is minus 13, greater than means towards right side up to infinity. So your range will be minus 13 to infinity. So this is your answer. Now I'll show you one more. Fx equal to 5x minus 11. X lies between 4 to 9. This is given in the question. So this 4 to 9, jodi mo nasao, if we don't look at this part, then we cannot say that x is greater than equal to 0. X to 0 ke dangor hobo boli to mo kobo no. But x to 0 ke hobo boli kobo no if this is not there. It will be nathake, we cannot say anything about x. Then we cannot do by this method. Tetia ami kintu ei method ti koribo no. But fortunately value of x is given. Ta minimum maximum value diya ase. And if it is given, then you can do. Etu diya thakile pariba. Diya na thakile kintu agor nisna hobo no. Yat to square asile. Ei karone ami greater than equal to 0 likhisilu. Yat modulus asile greater than equal to 0 likhisilu. Yat janu tenekwa kiba hobo. Only x square nai, modulus x nai. So we cannot write. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to start with this. Given 4 less than x less than 9. Now what to do? I have to make this function here. A function to moi yat banabo lagibo. Ki kori? For that you have to multiply by 5. So multiplying by 5 both sides. 5 by multiply kori dilu. Positive quantity. So this value this inequality will remain same. Positive value di multiply korile inequality remains same. Then I need minus 11. So subtracting minus 11 from all sides. So 20 minus 11 is 9. This is fx. This is 34. So fx value lies between 9 and 34. So your range is 9 to 34. Equal sign is not there. So open interval. This is your range. So in this method, in this manner we can find a range of the function. Now what will happen if we don't know any inequality? Mane positive hobo, negative hobo, modulus ba square jodi na thake ba enekwa jodi na hoy, then what to do? Then there is another method, and that method we use for any kind of function. That method we can use for this function also. Jontu method moi je hikam, he method to moi enekwa functional karneo byabahar koribo parilu hete. Kintu eto okoman mane calculation besi hoi jabo. He karne direct hole eneke korim aru jodi amar osot inequality na pao jeneke square jodi na pao modulus na pao ba enekwa kiba ta na pao, then we have to do by another method. So here method too I'll show you now. So the second method. So in this particular second method, a method tumaloke jenekwa question na ho byabahar koribo pariba. So ki ase method? So you take y as equal to fx. Y to me fx boli bhabi loba. Simplify this to get the value of x in terms of y. No, eto solve koriba aru x or value leba in terms of y. Okol y thakibo lagibo tat x thakibo noibo. Aru tar pasot domainot tumaloke ji korisila x or value bisarisila, the same method yat koribo lagibo kintu eba y value karne koribo lagibo range bisaribole hole. So domainot ami ki korisilo moi quickly abar koi loisu. I'll repeat what we did for domain. then the same method we are going to apply for range. So range of the same method apply. So what we did in domain. So in domain we generally see number one, denominator. Must not be 0. Denominator 0 होने लगेगा. And if denominator is 0, that you take it out from domain. Denominator 0 होने लगेगा. और किबा कारणे कोरबा denominator 0 होय real number पा ही किता value अमी बाहेर के लिए. Number 2, square root of a function fx बोले इधर लिखा है. So to find domain, start with fx greater than equal to 0. तामने domain साउंडे मूलते अमी दूसरा वस्तु है साम. We will only target two things to find domain. Number one, if there is a denominator, you have to find where the denominator is 0, that you have to taking out from real number. तुम्हारा के denominator कोड को 0 है, हेतु विषय हो लिया है real number पर बाहर कोई दी बोलेगा. उससे तो denominator 0 हो बनो ही वो. Second तुम्हारा के target कोई बोला है वो square root. So square root of fx लिखा है. So square root of fx. So always start with fx greater than equal to 0. In the same procedure, we will apply for range. किंतु एबार आमी x का value domain करने, we find the value of x. ये x का value करने करो. But for range, we do it for the value of y. So I'll show you some example, and you will understand it easily. मैं इसमें example देखते हैं. But ये example दिखाओ दे. Before starting that example, let me tell you one more thing. fx equal to root over 2x plus 7 minus 30. Whenever in function square root is used, don't consider plus minus square root of 2x plus 7. Square root doesn't mean plus minus square root. The plus minus square root over no. Do you know the reason? Because if I take plus minus both, one time I'll get fx equal to plus 2x plus 7 minus 13 or fx equal to minus root 2x plus 7 minus 13. So x equal to 1 bahale ki hogo? fx equal to root over 9 minus 13 means 3 minus 13 equal to minus 10. Ayat for this part fx equal to minus 9 minus 13 equal to minus 3 minus 13 minus 16. That means for 1x we are getting two value of fx. Once minus 10, once minus 16. तापने x और एता value करने हमें fx और दूसरा value पैसो minus 10 and minus 16. So it is not a function. X for every x there should be only one fx. ता एता है image बोलेंगे. Function or basic definition. The basic definition of function is for every x there must be only one image. एता image बोलेंगे. यार किंतु x1 धोरण लगे लगे. We are getting two images fx. It means we cannot take it plus minus. So if nothing is written, we have to take it plus, and if there minus is written, we'll take minus. तामने square root जदि थाके function of क्षेत्र, मौन रखे तो function of क्षेत्र को ऐसा होगा. So in case of function, जदि square root ব্যবহার হইছে, if there is any square root, then that square root be taken as a fixed value, হয় plus নহয় minus. If nothing is written before square root আগত যদি একো লিখা নাই তোমালোকে এটো প্লাস বুলিয়ে ধৰি যাব লাগিব, আৰু যদি তাৰ আগত যদি মাইনাস লিখা থাকে then you have to take it minus. দুইটা লব নহয়, যিকোনো এটাহে হ'ব, হয় প্লাস নহলে মাইনাস, because that will affect you while doing your range বিচাৰোতে তোমালোকে দুইটা ধৰিব নোৱাৰা, এনেও নোৱাৰি তাৰমানে, কিন্তু ৰেঞ্জ বিচাৰোতে এটো খেলি মিলি হ'বই যদি এনেকে দুটা ধৰি লোৱা. So you have to consider it as a fixed sign, হয় প্লাস নহয় মাইনাস, দুইটাই হ'ব নোৱাৰে. So I'll show you with the help of one example. I'll take 2-3 examples so that you can understand, তোমালোকে বুজিও পাবা. So we'll start with first example. So example number 1, fx equal to xy x plus 1. So there is no modulus, no square, so আগৰ method দি কৰিব নোৱাৰো. So what you have to do, let f of x equal to y. fx equal to y বুলি ভাবিলো. So this becomes y equal to x by x plus 1. Now what to do? Now also simplify this to get the value of x in terms of y only. That means etu moi solve koribo lagibo. We have to solve this one, and we have to find the value of x in terms of y only. Mane all y e thakibo lagibo x value. X value je bisai. So for that, cross multiplication, y into x plus 1 is equal to x. This gives you xy plus y is equal to x. This I am going to take this side. This implies y equal to x minus xy. Y is equal to x 1 minus y. Y by 1 minus y equal to x. So x value in terms of y palo. And you can see there is no x. This part x থাকিব নোৱাৰিব, মানে এফালে x ৰাখি বাকি সব এফালে y থকা নহলে কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকিব লাগিব. You cannot have any x to this side, value of x. এফালে কিন্তু x থাকিব নোৱাৰিব. Now you have to see it. এতিয়া তোমাক কি কৰিব লাগিব? You have to do like domain. So domain ত আমি কি চাইছিলো? We see whether there is a denominator or there is a square root. If the square root is inside the square root, it should be greater than equal to 0. And if there is a denominator should not be equal to 0. So there is a denominator. Square root yat nai. Duta bostu saisilo, square root or denominator. Square root yat nai. There is only denominator. So 1 minus y should not be 0. That means y should not be 1. Otherwise, sab thakibo pare. Therefore, range will be whole real number minus 1. Mane same procedure as domain. Domain is na ke hobo. To okol eta difference thakibo that yate ba y value sama. X value na sama. Domain na x value saisilo, yata okol y value sama. The y value to keneko. I'll take one more example, then you will understand it more. Example number 2, f of x equal to root over 25 minus x square. Okay. Moki gochu. If there is a square root, that should be always taken as one sign, and I sign logo like or positive, not negative. So if nothing is written, it is positive. So first you take let y equal to f of x This gives you y equal to root over 25 minus x square. So that means y is positive. One thing is sure, y is positive. Final answer लिखोते A condition to आमी ख्याल रखिबो লাগিব. You cannot ignore this one. Y value cannot be negative. It is always greater than equal to 0. Now what to do? You have to solve this to get the value of x. It is solve kori x value বিচাৰিব লাগিব. So x value বিচাৰিবলে হলে squaring both side. So y square equal to 25 minus x square. X value বিচাৰিবলে হলে minus x square being to this side, x square equal to 25 minus y square. This gives you x equal to plus minus root over 25 minus y square. So let me make it clear. fx value কিন্তু আমি plus minus we cannot consider. আমি লব নোৱাৰো এটাই যিকোনো সাইন লব লাগিব. But x can be plus minus. x কিন্তু হব পাৰে because x comes from here, that is domain. Y comes from here, that is codomain. Now, if I take y as 0, y is equal to 0 now. X will be plus minus 20 root over 25, that is plus minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5. So any function hobo pare. This can be function because for two different x you can have one y. Ya keta image ase eta, ya keta image ase eta. So this is a function. It doesn't matter je duita eketa image ase. Muthote ya keta image eta, ya keta image eta, one image only. So that is a function. So there is no problem when x is plus minus ahe. Jodi plus minus ahe, and it doesn't make any problem. But fx cannot be a plus minus. That's a problem. Now, again, what we have to see? We have to see like domain. Domain on Islam is available. So while watching it like domain, I mean, key to the vastu saislo denominator and square root. So is there any denominator? Yeah, denominator ase nahi? Nahi. Square root ase nahi? Yes. If there is a square root, you have to start with square root of without greater than equal to 0 this start with. So factor kya ho gaya? 5 minus y, 5 plus y greater than equal to 0. Then Weyl-Curve method. I think that is in lecture 4. Weyl-Curve method. So we will use Weyl-Curve method. So that will be minus 5 and it will be plus 5. So this will be jana ke nahi go lage. I will not repeat. There is positive here, negative here, negative here. Kintu amak ki lage? You will take this as greater than equal to 0 means positive part. And positive part is here. So minus 5 less than equal to y less than equal to 5. Question number 2. Kele minus 5 consider korisu, kele plus 5 consider korisu because putting minus 5 here, you are getting 0 and there is a equal sign. Equal to 0 ase. So you can take this one or you have to take this one. Similarly, you have to take 5 also. So 5 lo bole can nahi a duta value jodi ma diagram bahai diu ma left hand side of 0 palm and equal to 0 condition is accepted here. Eta say he kan. Now it says that y lies between minus 5 and 5, but condition number 1 says y is greater than equal to 0. Now while for writing final answer, you have to take the intersection of both the condition. Duita intersection koribo lagibo. Condition number 1 says y 0 ke damor, y is greater than equal to 0. That means going to this side. And condition number, this one is condition number, this condition number 1 says, condition number 2 says that the value lies between -5 and +5. It says condition number 2. Or you can understand in this manner. Husband wife, husband e koise je ami e phale fuibole jaun bola, wife e koise na iman dur na jao puisa e phale ba e phale korbat jao, kun jaga le gole duita majot kajia nohoy, this part both satisfies 0 to 5. So y belongs to 0 to 5. 0 याद include असेल, 5 ako याद include असेल. So this is your range. So this is your range. So the range ho. So I discussed few question about range, but moi aru question ke taman discuss korim, that I will do in my next class. So domain and range and your miscellaneous exercise এই গুতে কিটা সামৰি আমি আৰু ভিডিও দুটামান বনাব লাগিব. So thank you very much. And one more thing I just want to add, that if you want to know more about this function, this domain and range, then you can visit my channel. You will get some basics of function. So basics of function, I discuss some very important thing, notun bostu tumalage paba, and that will help you in doing mathematics. So you can visit my channel and watch those videos. Thank you.